Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 46. In this video, at the end of the session, we're going to learn about the different sets of figure words, brief words, and phrases. This will be going to discuss to us by the group of Abilion Joy, Angel Alaw, Jasmine Albert, Claire Alcazaren, and Jerica Jensen. I advise you guys to get your study notebook and your pen to follow the instruction. Bye!
Simulan natin sa theory words. First is management. How do we write the word management? We have the man represented by the symbol of M. We have J and ment symbol. Remember na dito tayo magsisimula magsulat sa guhit. Alright? Next is decided. We have 4 symbols here. Symbol of D. Dapat hanggang guhit siya. S symbol and long I and dead symbol. Yung dead symbol mas mahaba siya kaysa sa D symbol. Next is Condon. K symbol, A, M, and den symbol. Den symbol is combination of D and N symbol. Since Condon is a place, it should be capitalized. So, lalagyan natin siya ng capital symbol dito sa dulo. Next example is customers. K, O symbol, S, tem symbol, R, and S. Tem is a combination of T and M symbols. Next example is the word official. The symbols for official are O, F, E, and shall. Shall is represented by the ish symbol. Yung F sa gitna ang simula hanggang sa guhit. Next example is announcement. A, N, O symbol, N, S, and ment symbol. O is a combination of A and O or W symbol. Next is tomorrow. Tem symbol, O, R, and O again. Tem is a combination of T and M symbols. Next example is the word woods, a symbol of W which is represented by double O. Double O symbol, D, and S. Woods is a last name so it should be capitalized. Next is main, a symbol for man which is M then E symbol. Since main is a name, lalagyan natin siya ng capital symbol sa dulo. Next is years. It is spelled as E, R, and S dahil wala tayong stroke for Y. Address, A, D, R, E, and S symbol. Again, yung D ay dapat nakasagad sa guhit para hindi tayo malito since pareha siya with T. Letterhead, L, E, T, R, E, D. Then, we'll put an H symbol here sa taas ng E para mas mabasa siya as head. Brief forms. First is office. Symbol niya lang ay O and F. Next is representative. R, P, R, and V. V is a long downward curve kaya mas mahaba siya kaysa sa F symbol. Next is several. S, E, and V symbol. Next example is orders. O, D, and S symbol. Next is correspondence. K, R, E, and S symbol. Last example for our brief forms is direct. D, R, and K symbol. Now let's proceed to our phrases. You will be glad to know that our and we are. You will be glad. You represented by double O symbol. Will is represented by L symbol. B is represented by B symbol. And glad is represented with the symbol of gay and L. To know. It is a combination of T, N, and O symbol. Next example is that our. That is represented by TH, A, and R. And lastly, we are. We is represented by double O and E symbol, and R is represented by R symbol. Now, let's proceed to our exercises. Get your steno notebook and try to answer these exercises in order for you to measure what you have learned in this lesson. Now, let's check your answers. Number 1. The management has decided to open a sales office in Camden. Number 2. We are opening that office on December 12. Number 3. An official announcement will appear in the Camden papers tomorrow. Number 4, the office will be managed by Tom Woods. He was our special representative in Maine for several years. 5, our community was an adult education program that is excelled by very few cities in the nation. 6, we have an opening at the present time for a shortened teacher in our evening program. 7, please let me know if you would be interested in teaching this program. 8, I want you to know how very much I appreciate the time you took to explain how your information system works. 9, I was very interested to learn that classes for your executives. And lastly, you will be glad to know that we are going to open the store soon. Once again, we are the second year students of Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. Thank you for listening and we hope that you learned something from us.